Hey, what's up, lovelies, and welcome back to my channel. New hair, who dis? Not really. So if you guys have not seen my transformation video, I will go ahead and post that video right here. Go ahead and click it and check it out. I went from light to dark. I'm really digging the dark hair. Haven't had it dark in about 4 or 5 months or so, but I'm really liking the way it turned out. But as you guys can all see from the thumbnail, I'm going to be doing my BoxyLuxe unboxing today. I have been waiting for this box forever. I was supposed to get it yesterday, but my mail carrier didn't deliver it, so I had to go down to the post office and pick it up. But without further ado, let's get into the video. Alright, guys. Okay, here's the card, guys. I got the number 11, the box number 11, like the variation, I guess, of it. The first thing that I see, and I'm just going to go ahead and pick up, is the Storybook Cosmetics palette. This is so cute, guys. I absolutely love the palette. It is a little bulky, but it's just super cute. How it's supposed to look like a little book. I love the big old mirror on it, as well as the colors. I think these shades are so pretty. I really dig that blue. I'll go ahead and swatch it for you guys. That is Prince. That is so pretty. That is one of the, looks like one of the shimmer. I'm gonna go ahead and do this one. This is a matte. That one was a shimmer. This is a matte shade. So I'm going to, retails for $55. So that's that. Okay, the next thing I got in my box is the Pro Collagen Face Rose Facial Oil. I really was hoping I would get that. It looks like this. You guys, I could smell the rose without even opening the product. It smells so good. I didn't wear foundation because I wanted to try this out. Looks like this. I'm just gonna put a little bit on my cheek area. Oh yeah. That feels, oh my gosh. It smells amazing. Oh, it feels so good. I like how it just has that little sheen to it. Oh, I love that. I really like this. Okay, this retails for $79. So that right there in itself has already paid for the box. I think this box is what, 50 something dollars, $49.99 or something like that. Okay, so that's my second product. This is the one that I was most excited about. This is the, let me get my pamphlet, hold on. This is the facial roller. This is the one I got. If you don't know, I'm gonna be starting esthetician school in January. So this, I was really hoping I would get this. Oh, this feels so good. If y'all have never tried like a jade stone roller or something like this to like really like work your serum or facial oils into your face, like, oh, you're missing out. I have a jade stone roller, and what I do is I keep it in the refrigerator, and then when I do a sheet mask, I use it and like I roll it over the sheet mask, and oh, it makes my face feel so good. So this is what I was most excited about to get. I'm super glad I got this. Okay, and this retails for $69. So I got that in there as well. Okay, and then I got the soy face cleanser. It's a pretty big face cleanser. Check it out. And it smells just like cucumbers, guys. It smells so good. It's rich in amino acids. It's for all skin types. It gently cleanses eyes, face and eyes. Oh, it smells so good. So I got that in there, and this retails for, let's see, this retails for $48. So I got that in there. And then this is just the Your Hair wrap towel. I'm gonna go ahead and put this in my giveaway pile because I just wrap my hair in a towel. I don't need a specific towel to wrap it up. So I did get this in there, but I'm just gonna put it in my giveaway box. This retails for 18 bucks. So there's that. And then I got the Too Faced. This is the Too Faced Rich and Dazzling Lip Gloss. It retails for $21, and I got the shade Crazy Rich. I love the packaging, guys. I think it's so cute. I'll go ahead and swatch this for y'all. Just like a topper. It has like a little pink sheen to it. It smells good. It's really cute. I like that one. Okay. And again, that retailed for $21. Okay. And then I got this is the confetti highlighter. I love the packaging on this. Isn't it cute? And it looks like this. And let's see, I'll go ahead and swatch this for you as well. Can you see that? Pretty. Ooh, yes, hunties. That's really pretty. I like this a lot. I love the highlights that come with mirrors too. Like a little compact. Okay, that retails for $32. Now, this is the Power Up Dual Phase Setting Mist. This retails for, where's it at? This retails for $32. This energizing face mist is the pick-me-up you need to get you through the day and night. Special bi-phase formula instantly activates and transforms as you shake it. Well, okay. I'm really excited to give this a little whirl. This retails again, 32 bucks. And last but not least, oh, this is glass. Fancy smancy. This is the M Greengrass Dry Oil Spray Beach Air. Okay, you can use this for you can use this to either spray onto your skin or your hair. It's for the face. Cool. Okay, let's see. I'll just spray it on my hand. That smells so good. Really good. That's what it kind of looks like. My hands have been so dry because of it's been cold. Ooh, I like that. Look, it doesn't leave you feeling all greasy or anything. Ooh, it feels so good. That smells so good. Alright guys, well that was my BoxyLuxe unboxing video. I really enjoy these boxes. If y'all do not get these boxes, y'all are missing out. I believe this is $49.99 if I'm not mistaken. We'll just say $50, and you get it quarterly, I believe. I'm gonna leave my referral code down in the description box below if you do decide to join. I believe you have to be on a wait list for a little while for the BoxyLuxe. I also get the used to be it's just the monthly one. It used to be $21, but I believe they bumped it up now to $25 a month, which still isn't bad because you do get full-size products in them. So I've never been disappointed in none of my boxes. Everything I get I love. The only thing I don't really care too much for is like hair products, and that's just like the volumizing stuff because I don't put volume in my hair. But other than that, I think that's like the only thing that I've gotten so far. And then just like the little towel, just because I don't use stuff like that. But it's alright, you know, you still get 4 other products that I'm always really into. So if you haven't looked into it, definitely look into it, especially if you love makeup. I always get a lot of good makeup in this. So like I said, I'll go ahead and leave my referral code in the description box below. If you decide to sign up, let me know. Also, I have a giveaway video going on until the 23rd of December. I will link that video at the end of this video. Thank you all so much for the continued support. Thank you for watching. If you like these types of videos, give it a big thumbs up. Also don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Click the notification bell. That way you can be notified every time I post. Thank you for watching.